This piece here won Weld Workmanship Award of the Week. This is the quality of weld here at the shipyard. Have a look, see? Nice and even. The welds are cleaned up. There is no undercut. There is no... These have been tested with ultrasonic equipment, so there is no porosity in these things. There's some clean up there.
The person responsible for this spent their time putting down a perfect bead, and then he went back and he put his finger on and made sure every single thing was absolutely perfect. And when the QC department came through here, they didn't pick up a single thing. It was just perfect. Nice. So, yeah, so that's the kind of work that you're looking for. You take a lot of pride in your work, and it shows.
What's the guy got for winning this Workmanship of the Week here?
He got a box of freezies.
Okay.